Welcome to the Benz 7, the final auction. Welcome to Chuck's Attic, where we have lots 600 to 634. This is where all of your hoods, fenders, bumpers, you can kind of see from the photos. These are all up here in the rafters. When you come to pick these up, we will send our staff up here to grab them and bring them down for you, so don't expect that you're going to have to be up on the rafters. Over here we have 650. It's the first lot in this plywood section. It's a large lot. We're going to try to give you a closer look at it. You can see that there's a number of grills, dash components. You have headlights and headlight fixtures. You have some cool dials, speedometer, odometer. You can see that there are some steering columns. We also have a number of old school horns. Not all of these are labeled. We're giving you a closer look at them so you can do your own research and find out what exactly these are. This one says 41 Ford pickup. So a lot of these components are to his 41 Ford up here, as well as some Chevy components. You have these engine components on this side. All of that is lot number 650. Take a look, get your bids in. All goes home with the highest bidder.